Cool.
Is he naked?
No, but I can see him.
Don't swear. How you getting down, Tim?
Put your hand.
He's trying to guess, I mean. Wow. I need a peephole. Do we get to watch it when you're done, Dana?
Yes. Tell everybody to shut up.
Got the headset. Britt! What? Okay, that's it. Sure. See anything, Brian?
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. He's like full screen size. Except my arm's going numb.
Can you just see what now?
Yeah.
I'll be damned.
Told you it would work. You wanna look, Blair? Come on.
We gotta do a window thing, right? Cool.
Look.
Oh my god. Let me look through there. Can you see very good now?
Told you.
No. 1995 VHS.
Yeah, 1995. Anybody who wants a copy?
Thank you for helping me keep better to the other one.
Just slap you off my head. I'll slap you.
John Lansford.
He's not on stage and they can't find him.
Mr. John Lansford.
Don't look there.
No, you can use up all the food. No, it's 120 minutes. You can't see anything.
All around.
That's what I saw earlier. Give it back.
Not yet. So is mine.
Hey, it's Tracy. Hi, Tracy.
Light's getting in from somewhere.
Who's that? I don't know who that is.
Yeah, I got it.
That is Tracy, isn't it?
If not, you feel stupid, huh?
Yeah. Isn't that Ted
Hallie's
guy?
gonna be so jealous.
Yeah. Kids after the third act. I'm wondering why y'all started sending out there. Oh, it's that guy. We're all just gonna stand around for okay, Tracy, you can't
Block the light. Block the light.
right now. Hi, Tracy. Look good? Bon Jovi!
That's as loud as you
Go grab the guy.
can. Get my drink.
Wow.
Like, get your shit straight, man.
$7,000 for people to see. Here, look in the camera. Oh. You see it perfect. You know, look. Hold on. My finger, my arm's going down really bad.
Oh, I can see everything. I can see everything. Let me help you hold it up. Oh, I can see your side of it.
Scott, push the zoom button. Okay. It's as far as it goes.
Where's the other guy? They don't have seats in there, do they?
Nope.
Really? You have the it was better on there because no, I didn't really can't remember the you hear that girl that called me yesterday? Aren't these fans just a peace sign or something cool? Are they up? Wow, is that full time? Ooh, sweat. That is way good. Even if you don't work, then you'll be sad. Wow.
I'm like, is he serious? He's like, yeah, designer position.
Pokey puppy. Pokey puppy shirts. They like this one. Very. Did you give me
I have difficulty with moving stairs. I can climb up them and down them, but I just have trouble getting on them. Yes.
Well, you really like those people walkers at the airport. Have you ever seen those?
Yeah, there's. Yeah.
Don't you have fear? I saw your panties.
More.
More. Come on, pouty, pouty. Come on, let's see some of that curve. That curvy whatever. Let's see some leg, girl. Show it, show it. Come on, work it.
Work it, girlfriend.
Work it. Come on down that strip.
Now jump off. Mm-hmm.
So what's next?
Go. Is that better?
Yo, yo, yo. like a...
Something interesting.
It looks like you're levitating, huh?
That's creepy.
You're a witch, burn!